Hi, and welcome to another episode of Type with Me. In this episode, we will talk about JavaScript modules. So we have right here a folder modules. We have right here index.html, and we have just main.js, where we will import functionality of our modules. All right. So first of all, I'm going to create a new module create element.javascript. This will just export function create Now here we can basically do the following thing. So now we have an export function create, right? And we can use it within our main.js file. So we do import create from modules slash create element slash .js, right? So great. Now we can use it, so we can say create sm slash document dot body comma some text. So now I also want to create a new file mod.js, and in this mod.js file I want to add 3 functions. These are these functions, so multiply, minus, plus, and now we're going to export it. Multiply, minus, and plus. Now I want to use plus here, so I can do import plus. If you want to import more, you can just do, for example, multiply, and you have that too, from dot slash modules slash mod.js, and here I want to use plus 4,6, and eventually you can, for example, also do multiply 5 to make it a little bit more complex, but to show you that we can use plus and multiply from the module mod. So with opening the index.html file, you see that we have a problem with course policy, right? And that's because of the file thing. It only supported the following protocols: HTTP, data, Chrome, Chrome extensions, HTTPS. So we need to run our index file within a web server, right? We can do so with npx HTTP server. So we will do that. Great. So when we go to our web page, we see here 50, right? And we also see that we have loaded mod.js, create element.js, and main.js as our JavaScript files. And so the create element and mod.js are our modules, or JavaScript modules. And that's great, right? I think, or I hope, that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel or like this video. Thank you very much. Hope to see you very soon.